Joining me for our coverage of MWC is Todd Landry from JMA Wireless. Todd, thank you very much for joining us. Give us a little bit of an insight into who JMA is.
Absolutely, absolutely. Well, I'm here in our 5G factory in upstate New York. It's one of 10 locations around the world where we're innovating and developing 5G technology. We've got about 1,000 team members in the organization. We build technology in the world of radio systems for 4G and 5G networks. They apply to neutral host type networks as well as O-RAN networks. We are also developing all the technology in the world of macro antennas and small cell antenna technology that is used in a lot of the new builds of mobile networks worldwide. So this is a key part of what we do, is innovating in the world of new technology, in particular the world of virtualized RAN technology. We'll talk a little bit more, I think, about virtualized RAN in this industry and our XRAN product platform.
Now, O-RAN is bound to be a hot topic at this year's show. What role does JMA play in this burgeoning market?
Yeah, for sure. We've been involved in O-RAN really since the inception of O-RAN Alliance. We've been building the technology in this space. We're involved in pretty much all of the plug fest relating to bringing the different technologies together for interoperability. It's been particularly important in the world of Department of Defense, where we've been doing a lot in the U.S. market to build some really, state-of-the-art end use cases for the Department of Defense networks.
JMA also has a strong foothold in the sport and entertainment spaces, Todd. What's making you unique and standing out and really aiming to be the number one supplier of choice in those particular markets?
Yeah, we've long been involved in sports and entertainment. I think we have somewhere around 190 of the largest sports and entertainment venues in the world right now. In fact, about 70% of the new ones built are JMA technology. Our innovation has really been key there. Our ability to bring new functionality to those end customer environments and enable a fan experience, and now add private wireless to it for those customers, has been significant.
You touched on the topic of private wireless there, Todd, another big topic that we're going to hear about all this week. What kind of developments are exciting you in the private wireless space right now?
Yeah, look, in the private wireless, the key has been to truly understand the IT enterprise business environment, and we've had a lot of focus on that. We're having a lot of success in this space where we're bringing together different use cases that solve specific business problems. We recently finished the Super Bowl, a big deal here in the U.S. market, where we enabled communications for Fox Sports broadcast environment, something that's really never been done before. And it's now opening up new opportunities for Fox Sports to think about ways they can use high bandwidth and new media connectivities into that high bandwidth to change the game in the sports world.
JMA is also involved with cloud operators. You've demonstrated and announced some activities with AWS. Talk us through what you're doing there, Todd.
Yeah, so working with cloud operators is obviously very important for this industry. As a developer of software technology, particularly our XRAN virtualized RAN platform, we are probably best suited to work with environments that are what we call containerized. And in AWS's case, this is their EKS Anywhere platform. So what this is going to do is this is going to enable much faster deployments. It's going to make the scale out capabilities of solutions for end customers much, much faster. Secondly, AWS is building compute platforms that allow them to extend the AWS environment closer to the edge of the enterprise networks. We can operate on those edge environments to enable wireless workloads right at the edge of enterprise customer networks. Now, when people want to learn about it and their AWS clients, they tend to go to AWS Marketplace. As a result of that, we're working with Amazon to make sure that we have a presence on AWS Marketplace, and it's easy for them to get connected with us to create solutions for those enterprises.
So for our viewers, and you've really hopefully whet their appetite if they're wanting to find out more, what stand are you at the FIRA at MWC this year, Todd, and what are you exhibiting at the show as well?
Yeah, so you can come and see all our technologies on our stand. We're going to be in Hall 5, stand 5D65 is where we'll be at. We'll have a complete immersive reality setup that allows people that are at the show to come diving deep into what these technologies do and how they enable business cases for the end customer. So be sure to visit us.
Todd, we wish you a fantastic show. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, sir.